Alright, so this is going to be a very straightforward video. We are in Eftalia Blue. That's the entrance. So you enter from there. We've got parking over there as well. Approximately 20 to 25 cars can park over there. That's the football court, or football, what do you call it? Whatever, indoor football. And then the kids play area. Just show you some things in a bit. Some more parking here. So all of the people who are getting a land view will get the hotel rooms here, but I'm not sure if you can see, but that's the kids area, and then of course the football place as well. Now when you will try to reserve a room, they would say standard room, you have the sea facing room, the land facing room, family room, blah blah blah. They will also say, hey, you have the private swimming pools here. I would say don't go for it. It's okay. It's not really worth it. Spend that money on shopping. If not, if you're coming with your private partner, you can get the room there. Otherwise, you can always just come here. Anyways, so that's the main entrance of Eftalia Blue. We've got sitting area here. They've got sitting area there, and then let me show you inside. Let's walk inside. That's ground zero. We got the reception there, and we've got one bar over there with some coffees and whatnot. So all of these things are available. Saying you got reception, guest relations, business center, patisserie, blah blah blah. I will show you all of these things on this floor just in a second. That's the view downstairs. Let's go on the left side. Let me show you everything really quick. So you've got sofas here for people to sit, relax. Most of the people are playing cards and whatnot. You can get some tea here. We've got the bar, toilets are over there. And then some more sitting area. You also have the balconies here if you would like. That's the main swimming pool area. I will show you just in a second, or a couple of minutes, I guess. We will see how short or fast this video is. As you can see, there's plenty of room at night to make some good memories, playing some cards and whatnot. In short, this room really reminds me of Eftalia Ocean. It's more like a smaller brother of Eftalia Ocean. So Eftalia Blue and Eftalia Ocean, you would see a lot of resemblance. Again, that's the reception area. The doctor is on that side. And then you've got guest relations here. And then when you enter from here, and on your right side, you can come to the patisserie and Burgerland. So let me tell you some more details. Burgerland, these are the timings for the Burgerland. It's more like fast food. So that's the timing for the patisserie, which is from 11 to 4. Burgerland, they are different timings, but more or less at any amount of time you always have something to eat. I will give you more detail. If you want more detail about all of the restaurants and everything on my channel, I would also put a very detailed review of the restaurant. Right now we're just doing a walking tour. So that's the patisserie. Again, a lot of seating area here. A lot of people can sit at night here. I'm making this video around October, so it gets a little chilly. But this is Burgerland, which is closed at the moment, because at the moment, if you would like to eat something, you need to go to the snack bar. So this is the backside of the hotel, facing the sea, and that's why it's called blue, because everything is blue. And you also got the blue swimming pool with families enjoying, and that's where the snack bar is. So when you come from -1, You go here, that's where the snack bar is. Again, I will show you that in a couple of minutes as well. But that's pretty much ground floor. Let me show you what's in -1. I was right there when I was making that video before, but that's the pool in Eftalia Blue. So let's just take a walk. It's around Atatürk Day, their Independence Day, so that's why you would see a lot of red flags everywhere. As we all know, Turkish people are patriotic, or at least try to be patriotic. In any case, this is the pool. That's Eftalia Blue. That's the big blue which you see every day. I would probably get copyright music here, so I would just keep on talking on this side because I don't want them to put a copyright on this video while music is playing. So if I'm just talking, you cannot hear me, I will do a voiceover. But in any case, that's the main swimming pool. That's the snack bar, which I'll show you just in a second. Those are the pool ride, the rides, water sports rides. They are open only from 2 to 4, so they're not open all the time. The kids area I think is open all the time, where the kids can play. And right next to the swimming pool you also have all of these different stalls. The best part is that the stalls are not free, they're paid. Like this ice cream. Ice cream is for €2. So not everything is free. We got toilets here, one bar there, and that's the main place where most of the kids are doing what they do best, enjoying the hell inside water. So all of these stalls as well, which you see as well, are also paid. So like cotton candy, popcorn, mice, all of the junk kids love. We hate to give, but they would take our money anyways. It's all paid, so keep some change in handy. A nice dinosaur they made, or some cartoon character. We have gazebos everywhere here. All of them are not free. So, and I think they are going from 10 to 20 euros. Not a big fan of paying for gazebos, so alright, so gazebos are these ones are 20 euros. So when you come directly here, on the left side you have this auditorium, or what you would call it, with a stage, you know, where they are giving some kind of shows at night. And again, I will try to make a detailed review of the hotel. This is just a walking tour, just a walkthrough to show you guys, because I didn't see a lot of nice videos made about this, and I thought of just making it for you guys. I personally have the chance to look at or take one of these rides, and actually all of them are a lot of fun. So I would really recommend you, if you want, really do try the rides. They are a lot of fun. I didn't tell you, but if you want to go towards the beach, you come directly from there, and over there's a tunnel for the beach. I'll see later on if I want to, I will go to the beach as well and give you a tour there. But normally it's nothing, it's nothing special. I mean, the beach has a lot of stones, the water's clear. The water here had less chemicals inside. People are having fun. They've got the snack bar there. So let's just end -1 at the snack bar. Let me just go ahead and go there as quickly as possible, showing less people enjoying their time. That's again almost the same design as Eftalia Ocean. It's like they recycle the same maps from the architect. Here's the snack bar in -1, which was my favorite place to go because here they have doner kebab, but they also have waffles and everything. Again, detailed review coming soon. It would take more time to give more detail, but that's the snack bar, and let me show you the beach afterwards. One more thing, they also have a kids club here, a Halloween party. The kids club is on the right side of the swimming pool. Okay, so we're back. Now we're going at the beach. Start from the hotel, go straight, make a right, and now we're walking towards the beach. Overall, the hotel is not so big. This is a good and a bad thing, I guess. Good thing because you don't need to walk too much. Bad thing is because you don't have a lot. You get bored easily. It's just an overview of all the things. Hopefully this is where I am tonight because they have the Halloween party. Now we're going towards the beach. So this is just a tunnel. Since we're in a tunnel, everything looks big, and you're on the Action 5 Pro. So, but you can take my word for it. This walk is nothing. If you go to Hyder Pasha, Delphin, or any of the other ones, even Eftalia, these ones are really, those ones are really big tunnel wise. This is not too big. So that's the beach. It's got one bar here, and then on this side, if you go on the right, which I'll show you in a second, you have the restaurant number 6. Restaurant number 6. Now we're going there. I'll show you a trick. So if you go to the beach side, a lot of people might get confused, including myself when was I here the first time, and you would come from there, and you have asphalt roads here where you can walk. Over there you can dive. People are enjoying their time here. Some people I see are snorkeling over there as well. Others doing what they need to do with their people inside. A nice hotel like this on the beach, enjoying life before we go back to our old routine. So the best place is to come from that side, walk here, then from here you go down and then to this nice beach. At least you have some sand here, because on that side it's just all rocks. Again, all of these gazebos are here, which are paid, which we will skip. Places to relax here, a bar to drink whatever you want, like to drink whatever is your poison. My poison is soft drinks because I'm Muslim. Up till now, if you've been liking this video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and also comment of anything which you would like to see in the main review, or what am I missing, or any appreciation from you in the comment section is highly appreciated. So we're walking towards the restaurant here. We've got some changing places, and of course all of this is brand spanking new, huh? Since 6 months ago or even a year ago, much of this was not here. I'm sure it was planned before, but some nice flowers, and overall the vibe is nice. In any case, let's go to the restaurant. So you got the sea in the front, yachts where you can do parasailing. Since it's almost 4, most of the seats here are also closed, but you have amma here, which is making bread or roti, what we call them. You got pizzas, you got doner kebab, and a bar over there. So if you're at the beach, this is going to be a restaurant. So this was a very brief, I would say the video is going to be around 15 minutes, but this was a very brief overview. Now if you want to see everything in more detail with my honest opinion, I will be making a review in which you will see more details about the rooms, what kind of rooms you can get, and things like that. So we started from the entrance and we are ending at the beach with the silence of the waves. Time to relax. Welcome to Eftalia Blue. This was my video, initial video. See you in the next video. All right, like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, and I'll probably pin the video here on top when it's ready, and also put it inside the description. So this was your Desi travel guide from Azim. See you in the next one.